Lexi? Well, we're going to put the bird up in the air and she wanted to come along. So here we go. Let's see what we got over here. Let's go down at altitude now. Okay, we're about 11 feet above ground level. Anything in there? Nope. Now I'm coming back towards my home point. So you will hear it shortly here. But I'm back to this area again. I really like, this is where that strange trackway was that I couldn't identify. You can see most of the snow is melted. We had about a ½ inch overnight. But it's warming up today. All right, let's drop down. All right, 60 feet, 50, 40, 30. Let's stop around 20. Take a peek up this area. Pretty cool looking. Let's drop down some more. Snow is melted, like I said. Let's see if something's exposed here. Yeah, it's so hard to tell. Doesn't really look like much. Okay, where was I? Oh. I wanted to change out batteries. And then come back out and check some more up here. Let's go on down. Go up this way. I can lower it down some, I suppose. About 12 feet off the ground. Sometimes it's hard to see this screen. The sun's pretty bright today. I need some kind of cover for this to help shade out the light. Now here's that beaver dam up here. I should have never said beaver. Looks like it got... Now the last time I checked this, remember, there was nothing wrong with it. It looks like it got split there. Cruising back the opposite direction now. so you'll probably hear it. Let's go down some. Check this right over here. Or maybe I already did once. Hell, I can't remember. Now I just went across the road to check out the other part of the lake here. I'm up 80 feet. I'm only cruising about 6 miles an hour, so I don't have it on sport mode. I like having more stable video footage. It's going down, but not down enough to take a swim, that's for sure. All right, I just raised up to about 300 feet to give you guys a look at the area here. You can see right there the road's been washed out for, gosh, it's going on 8 years, I think. Got some heavy winds up there. Give you a look that way. Oh man, I didn't know there's a field back there. I might go check that out.